Hello, friends. So last year it was my first time for me to receive free money, and I love to use this word free money because it's the money that you are not going to return back. It's the money that you can do anything that you want. It can be you want to start a business, or you need to go to hospital. You can use that money and never return back. That's the reason I used to prefer this word, which is called free money. But we can call this donation money and all that. So I'm gonna tell you how it happened to me and why someone sent this money to me, and how can you also start receiving money from stranger and all that. But you just have to make sure that you really have big problem that can convince people to come to you and donate money for you or to give you free money and all that. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to receive donation, how to receive free money from completely stranger. I need you to listen to me very careful because this one is really gonna be a very good video, because I've been receiving different emails, I've been receiving different messages. A lot of people, they asking me for money, and I just want to say that if you follow these ways that I'm going to show you in this video, you are also going to be in a position to receive money from different people who may seem the need to help you and give you free money. And at the end of this video, I will tell you the best website that you can go to and ask for financial help, and you can get this financial help that you want. So right now, let's start with this best method that you need to follow all this method and make sure that you get this free money from different people around the world. These people are really going to send money to you if you follow this method. So let's now dive in. All right, so this is our very first method, and I'm pretty sure maybe you heard about this before, but this one is different because it's really going to help you, and it what really helped me. So listen to me very careful. You need to share your story. Do not be embarrassed to share your story. After sharing your story, these rich people, these kind people, after seeing your story, they may be in a position to help you in one way or another. So what you have to do right now is that you need to come up with this story which is going to be very emotional. There are a lot of people who are in need right now, so it's really hard for anyone to go ahead and donate money for a person. So in order for a person to come to you and donate money for you, you really need to come up with this story which is very touching and very emotional, so they can feel the need to donate money for you. I'm going to show you this example, and this example is really going to help you if you're facing very hard time right now. So let's say that you have someone who is very sick. It can be you, like you're really sick and you really need help. So how are you going to get help without coming up with this story? You need to write your story, like what is really going on with you. You can just come up, it can be a video, it can be a picture. You just have to explain to the people that are going to donate money for you. You need to come up with this amazing story and say to them that if it was me, I can say that I am Hans David and I'm facing this problem, I am sick maybe and all that. You need to come with this good introduction, and you need to come up with this good reason that can motivate people to donate money for you. And you just have to make sure that you come up with this emotion every time that you explain like what is really going on in your life. So I've seen a lot of people, they're receiving money because they come up with this story which is very emotional. And but also, do not expect to get free money, do not expect to to get donation if you don't have genuine intention, because at the end of the time people will find out that you're lying to them, and it's very not good thing to lie to these people who are going to help you. So I really encourage, you need to come up with this good reason, you need to have genuine intention, then you need to explain like what is really going on with you for you to need that kind of money. So after drafting out your story, I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do next for you to get this free money. So this one is our step number 2, and this one is very important because there are a lot of websites right now, they say that if you go ahead and explain like what you're really going through, you can get free money on a given website. And most of these websites are not working, and most of these websites, they are also not going to be able to give you free money because they may not be available in your country. So these are the platforms that you need to pick every time that you need donation, every time that you need financial help. But these are the platforms that I highly recommend you need to go ahead and try this website. The first website is GoFundMe. This one is very trusted. It's not gonna waste your time. But also the second website is called Facebook Fundraising. Right now it's very possible for you to get money from Facebook because there are this new category that you can start a fundraising on Facebook. And I've seen people they're receiving good money on Facebook. I've seen people they join on this different campaign on Facebook to raise money and they get money. So I want to tell you that you can go to Facebook as well. It's very trusted, but also you can go to this website which is called Reddit. Reddit is among the most trusted platforms. So if you go to this website, you can also receive help because a lot of people are using these platforms and these platforms are very trusted. So you can also go ahead and join this website which is called Buy Me a Coffee. This platform is also very trusted and available into many countries. So you need to pick up the right platform for you to go ahead and ask for financial help. Alright, so this is our third method for you to make sure that you get free money, for you to make sure that you really receive money from kind people and rich people. You need to share this link that you get from these platforms that you joined. As I told you that after choosing these right platforms, GoFundMe, Buy Me a Coffee, Reddit, and Facebook, you need to take your link that you get from these platforms and you have to make sure that you are sharing this link to different platforms. It can be TikTok, it can be Instagram, it can be Facebook. You need to make sure that you are sharing this link as much as you can because no one is going to know your story if you're not going to share this link. It's very important for you to go ahead and share this link to many places as you can, to many platforms as you can, to different Facebook groups and all that. After sharing this link, people are going to find you. They may see the need to donate money for you. So this one is very important, and I think this is a reason that many people they are not going to receive free money because they are really embarrassed to go ahead and share their story to different platforms. The other thing that I can advise right now, you need to keep engagement alive. After sharing this link, there are a lot of people who may be coming to you and ask you anything about this campaign that you just started. So it's very good for you to go ahead and make sure that you answer every question of a donor, of any person who needs to donate money for you. You make sure that you answer each and every question, but also you need to make sure that you provide good information about your campaign, like how much you have raised so far. So after being honest, after having this engagement with this campaign, and like you tell them, up to now we have made so far $200, up to now we have made $500 and all that. This one is also going to build this trust between you and donors, people who are going to help you. So I really encourage you, really need to be engaged with your audience, with the people who are going to donate money for you. This one is very important, but also it's going to build connection between you and them. All right, so this is the last thing that I want to advise you. So you need to scale up your amount. Let's say that you just need $1,000 for you to go ahead and pay your rent or anything that you ask money for. So all you want to do right now, let's say that you have asked for only $1,000 and only two people come and give you $1,000 within a very short time. So all you want to do right now, you can add up a little more. If you ask for $1,000, you can scale from $1,000 up to $1,000 up to $3,000. The more people are going to donate money for you, the more you scale up at least $5,000, and after that you close your campaign and you say thanks to them, and that is really going to work out for you. So guys, the only thing that I want to say right now, you just need to be honest. It's not a good thing to beg for money if you don't have anything to do with that money, if you're not facing hard time. You need to be with a very good cause, with a very reasonable cause for you to go ahead and ask for money, for you to go ahead and ask for donation. Because in this channel, I'm not teaching people to beg for money if they're not in problems, if they're not facing hard time, like very serious hard time, sickness, or these emergencies and all that. If you're not facing any emergency, or if you're not sick, do not go ahead and ask for money. I'm talking with the people who are really in need of financial help right now, and they really need this money to solve their problems. So if you do all these I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be, you're gonna be succeed, and your campaign will be so successful. So the website that I want to recommend to people to go ahead and try out and see what's really going to happen is Facebook fundraising, because there are a lot of people who are using Facebook, and it's very easy for any person who sees your campaign on Facebook to go ahead and donate money right away on Facebook, because this link doesn't have to take this person who needs to donate money for you out of the platform. So it's going to be really easy for anyone who is going to donate money for you through Facebook. But also the other one that I can really recommend is GoFundMe. You can go ahead and see if this is going to work out for you. GoFundMe is a very trusted website, and I really want to say that you may want to go ahead and see how much you're really going to make. So as I said before, do not lie, be honest, and people will really help you as it was for me. So thanks so much, and see you next time.